name is Miss. Welcome to Buchanan High School. My name is Mr. Paramo. I am a math teacher. Been teaching here for about 20 years or so. I know I don't look that old. And so to start us off, let me say this for the record. I am more of an ice cream person than I am a coffee person. Just saying, Cold Stone, yes, more so than coffee. Even though I need coffee, I like ice cream. I was going to say that for you. If you're watching this, I assume you want to know a little bit about your child's math class. So I have a few things that I want to share with you. First off, I teach Math 2 and Honors Math 2. I'm using Google Classroom to show the students what assignments that they have to do and when it is due. It's also a place where they can go to find out what their current up-to-date grade is as well. Now, I know some of you are looking at Parent Connect and Student Connect and you want to see your kids' grades. So just so you are aware, I go to Google Classroom, I get the grade book, I download it to a file, and then I upload it into Parent Connect and Student Connect at the same time, and I do that once a week. And so that usually will happen on Fridays in the afternoon. So if you're looking at a grade and it is Tuesday, that has not been updated since the previous Friday. So keep that in mind. If you want to know what their current grades are, you will need to ask your child for their Google Classroom. You can click on the class that they have, and you can click on your work, and you will see up to date what I have graded and what their current grade is, because I'm literally just copying it from one thing to the next. The biggest advancement that we have learned from this pandemic is the use of Delta Math. And I am using it primarily as an online textbook. So students are going to be given notes. For example, it doesn't matter if you're in honors or if you're in regular, I'm doing this the same way. If you look at any particular notes assignment, students are actually given a set of notes that I wrote myself that they will get to use to do homework questions. But the homework assignments themselves, this is way better than a textbook because students can click on an assignment and you can see right at the top, as a parent, you're going to want to see, have you finished your homework? If this says 100%, then they've done it. If it says 0% on it and no late credit available, then they missed something. This is going to be their proof that they did the work or they didn't do the work. And every assignment, when you click on the bar, will have how many problems they completed with each skill type that they have done. And what I like about this is that it gives instant feedback to students when they're working problems. So if they are working a problem that you would see like this, and let's say the answer was negative x squared minus 2y squared minus 2y. If they enter that and submit it, the computer itself will give them a green check mark if they get that correct. So it automatically lets them know what they're doing right. Or if they got it wrong, it will give them an X and they have another chance to do it. So this is where we can go to like the next section and do it. If kids get stuck, there's buttons here that say show example. So I'm going to move this and hit show example. And I can see step by step how to do every problem. If I didn't understand that example, I could hit another example and I could see as many as I want to see before I try the next one on my own. Also with this textbook, there is a help video that goes along with every single problem, where you can see the inventor of this particular software. He was a teacher. He has a video that goes along with every single type of problem so that kids, if they get stuck, they can watch a video and there's instruction right there. This is a 7-minute video that deals with something that we're learning right there. And so as you can see, I take this Delta Math assignment. This is the homework. A lot of times students will have time in class to work on this. And then it is due by the following class. They finish it. They get their points. I put it in. If you do not see 100% on there, it's usually because they didn't try. Once again, if you have any questions about this or any of our other policies, feel free to send me an email. And of course, if you want to get on my good side, remember it's Cold Stone Creamery. Thank you, and you have a wonderful